Kickboxers bring laurel for West Karbi Anglong, win 16 medals in state event. KNCA Dogmuka branch expresses concerns over growing number of crime against women. A very pleasant Thursday morning to you all. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong with Julie Baby. In the 9th All Assam Inter-School Kickboxing Championship 2022 held in Guwahati, 16 students from West Karbi Anglong had brought laurel for the district by winning 16 medals. Here is a report. Altogether, 19 participants from different schools of West Karbi Anglong had taken part in the event. They had won 6 gold medals, 5 silver medals and 5 bronze medals in the competition. Pengjili Rongpipi, Bhanu Chetri and H. Swapan Singha had won gold. Shelly Chetri, Mirdalin Hansepi and Purna Chetri had won silver, while Sengmir Bepi had won bronze in the sub-junior category. In the junior category, Mamoni Majumdar, Udip Terang and Yovraj Singh had won gold. Radhika Yadav and Pamperbes Chauhan had won silver, while Mailkal Sangma and Smita Das, Mona Kemprai and Gagan Chetri won bronze medals. Sifu H. Ibung Obi Singha, the trainer of the Assam Kalakendra West Karbi Anglong team, had expressed his happiness over the achievement of his students. He thanked the parents for allowing their children to take part in the event. He also informed that on June 18, he will take the players for selection round to participate in higher levels of competition.
Our West Karbi Anglong Kickboxing Association মানে প্রথম এটা এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ হয় নতুনকৈ গৈছোঁ আমাৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাক হ'বনে নাই মোৰ বহুত মানে এটা ডাউট আছিল তথাপি আমি হিমত হাৰা নাই আৰু ল'ৰাবিলাক ভালকৈ খেলিছে কিছুমান ল'ৰা ছোৱালী নকআউটো কৰি দিছে নকআউট কৰি কিনে ফাৰ্ষ্ট গ'ল্ড মেডেলিষ্ট মানে হ'ব পাৰিছে 6টা গ'ল্ড মেডেলিষ্ট আৰু 5টা চিলভাৰ আৰু বাকী আমাৰ ব্ৰঞ্জ আৰু 3জন আমি প্ৰাপ্ত হ'ব পৰা নাই এইখিনি কথা আৰু আমাৰ খেলটো আছে আমাৰ ষ্টেট লেভেল 9 ষ্টেট লেভেল ইণ্টাৰ ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি আৰু ইণ্টাৰ স্কুল চেম্পিয়নশ্বিপ হয় 2012 আৰু 2022 এইখিনি আমি খেল কৰিছোঁ গুৱাহাটী কমাৰ্চ কলেজত আমাৰ খেলটো হৈছিল
Mohan Teron's report from Phelangpi, Karbi Anglong Live. The Dogmuka branch of Karbi Nimso Chingthur Asong, which is also known as KNCA, yesterday expressed their concerns over the rising number of cases of crime and atrocities against women in Karbi Anglong district. They had heavily condemned those persons involved in the flash trade. The KNCA Dogmuka branch had called a press meet on Tuesday at their own office. They say that day by day increase in the number of crimes upon women by men is highly condemnable and it is not a good sign for a civilized society. The KNCA leaders say that even today women are insecure in living a free life. They are to be always cautious and alert all the time. They also spoke on the ways women can follow to keep themselves safe in the society.
Gedam tang so dipu so lo so song atung kachipang tang lapen ke heno ke chokche atung phan kenep thek apot nilitum him penta churo lo anso se achithi pading nang lapen nilitum ta kachirap dunji phan nilitum along sidolo nilitum ta dokmoka akense branch atum pen cherap dun po pusika dukawe alang litum long se arjap dun pet dolo lapen kaheno dak la sori risimbe amen binong lo ne kalino ne kalang lo ne la sori simbe apan kaheno dak abang phu phan ke nilitum ta nilining samse nilitum bang dokmoka ro akensi tum ta lang le lapen chisong ji nilitum ta la anso se.
Talking about the latest incident in Dipu, where persons engage in trapping girls to commit prostitution, the KNCA say that strict actions should be taken against such persons. They appreciated the efforts of conscious public and police in nabbing the culprits.
Along stame la sonda kha swalo phan kilang rem duko
lapen kacenek doko pulute nitum rong hin men stame nitum ta un an gin ta bor idun po lapen un an gin ta insain po chokche along an do an stame kasi non ge rong ni rong thom arong pen ke rason munir bhai chulang dem lapen ke jor dam la so tak khen long do la sini tum stame dok muka la ke NCA tong long tum ta sonak thak an su se ajakong nitum ta pidun po lapen ke chokche do an gili do an stame nitum an su se alang tu na pansai pona asin tum ta pini rong pen stame nitum dang si tong no la.
The praise meet was attended by Dongmuka KNCA General Secretary President Hukuri Ronghangpi, Kasang Rongpharpi, AGS, Bina Tokbipi, Leela Rongpharpi and others. Sam Singing Tea from Dongmuka, KAL English Live. Well, that is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching KAL English Live. Have a good day.